Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. Y'all, Walgreens was totally being Walgreens this morning. Nothing was working correctly online. The prices were off. So I did the deals that I could do online, and then I went to the store to pick up that order as well as do a few more deals in store. So I'm going to tell you all the details of that. Everything went smoothly with the exception of one deal, so I'll tell you about that one as well. As always, at the end of the video, I will include pictures of the items that I found on clearance. Okay, one quick personal thing that I want to tell you guys about. So recently, my son was nominated as a Teen of Impact for the American Heart Association. And as such, he has been tasked with raising money for them. And he has set himself a huge goal. He is trying to raise $15,000, and he is experiencing the pain of what it's like to try to raise money. He is actually outside right now. It is crazy cold. He is doing a lemonade stand to raise money. But I'm asking for your help. If you find it in your heart and you want to give back, every dollar counts. If you want to throw $5 towards the American Heart Association, that would be amazing. Of course, your donation is completely tax deductible, but I will drop his link down in the video description box below, or you can just text this number with this information here, and you can make a tax deductible donation. That would just mean the world to him. He gets so excited. Okay, now let's get into the deals. Let's start with some free and money maker candy. So I posted this on my Instagram yesterday. Check your Swagbucks app and see if you have an offer for $3 back when you buy 2 Baby Ruths, because these are 2 for $2.50. So grab 2 of them. Pay $2.50 at the register, submit your receipt to Swagbucks and get $3 back. Mine worked beautifully, making both of them free and a 50-cent moneymaker. Now, if you need help on how to use Swagbucks, I do have a complete tutorial on that app, and I can drop that in the video description box below. Now, some more free candy using the Ibotta app. You want to grab 4 of these bad boys. They are 4 for $4, but check your digital coupons because there's a coupon for $2 off. So you will pay $2, and then Ibotta is giving back 50 cents on each of these, and we bought 4 of them, so that's $2 back, making all 4 of them completely free. Now, of course, if you are brand new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. Now, the last food deal that I did this week is on the Splendid diabetes shakes. I know not all stores carry these, but I've started seeing them in more of my stores around me lately. They are on sale for $7.99 this week. And if you get paper coupons like the newspaper inserts, check your January 2nd save insert. There is a $4 coupon. It expires on February 28th though, so you'd have to do this deal soon. Now, I paid $3.99 for this, and then Ibotta gave me $3 back, making this 6-pack just 99 cents. Now, I'm hoping to do a second Walgreens video this week to tell you about some more food deals happening, as well as snag just a couple more products that I wasn't able to grab this morning. Okay, non-food items. Let me first tell you about clearance. This, it's in Spanish, but it's Arnica bath, shower, and massage oil. This was on clearance at my store for just 49 cents. And then in that same section, I found, again, it's in Spanish, Instituto Español. It is roll-on deodorant. This was just 39 cents. Both of these were 90% off. Y'all don't laugh at my Spanish accent. I do, as you might have picked up, I speak some Spanish. I understand quite a bit of Spanish, but my accent is just terrible. So don't make fun of me. Okay, the deal that did not go perfectly. The Pantene. These are $3.99. Okay, there is a digital coupon for $5 off 3. So grab 3 of them. That's minus that $5 digital coupon, you'll pay $6.97. Now a $4 register reward is supposed to print, making them $2.97 or just 99 cents each. However, that $4 register reward did not print for me. My store gave me $4 in Walgreens cash, but they do not have to do that. So if you want to avoid that situation, I'm just letting you know my register reward did not print. If yours did, let us know down in the comments. Now, this is an awesome deal because this is also buy 2, get a $4 register reward. But these were on clearance for $1.99 each. These are the B3 plus coconut oil. They were the only ones that were on clearance. $1.99 each. I took a chance. I bought 2 of them to see if that $4 register reward would print. And it did. Obviously, I did these in separate transactions, but that $4 register reward printed for these. It did not for the Pantene. Who knows why? So great deal on those. That being said, if you're not using a spend booster, every single deal I talk about, you can use Walgreens cash to pay for, or you can use your register rewards to pay for and still get Walgreens cash or register rewards back. I know you guys always want to know that, so I wanted to let you know, blanket statement, you can use it on any of these deals. Okay, now let's talk about the Rolaids deal. There is a $4 off 2 store digital coupon and a $2 off 1 manufacturer digital coupon. These Rolaids are buy 1, get 1 half off. So I grabbed 1 at $6.99, 1 at $3.49. Minus that $4 digital, minus the $2 digital, I paid $4.48. Now, I also submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app for $2 back on 1 because I only had 1 manufacturer coupon. So I can submit to coupons.com for that second manufacturer coupon since I bought 2 items, making my final cost $2.48 for both of these or just $1.24 each. Now, another awesome medicine deal is on the Zamtac. These are priced at $11.99. There is a $3 store coupon. There is a $3 manufacturer coupon, both digitals that I clipped to my account. I paid $5.99, but check your Ibotta account because I also had a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making my final cost just $2.99. The other medicine deal I did, I grabbed the Unisom as well as the Aspercreme. These are buy 1, get 1 half off. The Unisom is $8.99. These are $7.99, but it's buy 1, get 1 half off, so this one rang $3.99. I had a $3 digital for both of these products. So I paid $6.98, and then I had a $3 rebate on both of these products on Ibotta. So I got $6 back on Ibotta, making my final cost for both of these just 98 cents. Awesome deal if these are products that you use. Now, I did these deals in store because, like I said, the online pricing was completely off. I grabbed a Colgate toothbrush at $3.99. I grabbed a Colgate mouthwash at $3.99. I had a $2 digital coupon for this, a $2 digital coupon for this. So I paid $3.98, but these are buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So I got that $4 back, making them both completely free. And like I said, you can pay with Walgreens cash and still earn Walgreens cash back. You could pay with a register reward and still earn Walgreens cash back. You'll be fine on any of these deals as long as you're not doing a spend booster. Now, remember last week and the week before that Revlon Catalina was rolling for me. So I was grabbing these nail files at $4.29. I was using that $4 Revlon Catalina. I was paying 29 cents and then getting another $4 Revlon Catalina. Well, I went ahead and tried it out again this morning, paid 29 cents for these, but I did not get another $4 Revlon Catalina. So I don't know, maybe that deal is just over. Maybe I just didn't luck out. Let me know down in the comments if you tried this out and if you got another Revlon Catalina. All right, last deal that I'm going to talk to you about is the soft soap body wash. Again, the pricing was off online. I don't know if that's been fixed as of yet. In store, it worked beautifully. $3.99 is the sale price. You want to grab 2 of them. There is a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $6.98. You're going to get $5 back in Walgreens cash, meaning you're paying $1.98 for both of them, or just 99 cents a piece. So overall, some amazing deals at Walgreens. You can't beat free candy. If y'all have questions, let me know down in the comment section below. I, again, will have clearance pictures at the end of the video, and I'm thinking I'll come out with a second Walgreens video this week, and I'm about to hit up CVS to see what deals I can score over there. Thanks.